Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we're going to do an unboxing of our travel shaver here. We've got the 900S series, the PV3B travel shaver. Even though I've been involved in this product before, I've never actually done a full unboxing, so we're going to go through it together. It's pretty great. On the side here you can see we've actually got our 900 Plus series. This is the LS9A model. We're also going to do an unboxing of that shaver as well, so check that out in our other videos. So let's get to it. The first thing I want to call out actually is something pretty cool. This product is actually part of our zero plastic packaging initiative, which is really cool. So you're not going to find any plastic in this packaging at all. So let's get to it. I'm going to remove the sleeve and open this up like that. Excellent. Okay, so the first thing you're going to find is actually the shaver itself in the travel case. This is a really great hard shell travel case, and actually you've got a really great indication there of just how small this shaver is. And I've got really small hands, so it's even smaller than it looks. It's got a magnetic little cap there, so that's not clipped on or anything, that's just held together by magnets. That's really cool. And you can remove the foil head by clipping those two buttons in, and that removes that really easily. That's really cool. So as well as the travel case and the shaver itself, let's have a look at what else comes with it. If we remove that, excellent. We can see here we've actually got our little cleaning oil. So this is really good for obviously shaver maintenance, making sure that the blades are well oiled. That's really going to help shaving performance. And talking about maintenance, we've also got the cleaning brush here to actually brush the blades to remove any hair from there. And then of course we've got the plug and the charge cable. Actually charges with USB-C, so you've got a USB-A to C adapter cable there. And on the bottom, actually it's on the back of the shaver, you've got the charge socket there. And then last but not least, some of the less exciting things that come in the box. We've got some information on the product warranty. There's some terms and conditions on your pan-European guarantee. You've also, of course, got your full user instructions to tell you absolutely everything you need to know about the shaver. So that's it. That's everything you can get in your new box in the travel shaver model. If you are interested in purchasing the PV3B, it is available in our online store. We have got offers running, so do check it out. All the links are in the description below. You can find the right Panasonic shaver for you. Thanks so much for watching. Do have a look at the other videos, and we'll see you in the next one.